Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel where it is all about Amazon KDP, building passive income streams and living a life of financial freedom. It's a new month, so it's a new time for an income report for the month of August 2022. I want to show you my royalties and my sold units for this month. So have fun with this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and we will see us in 5.5 seconds, my friend. So now we are back in our Amazon KDP dashboard, and as you can see, I was able to sell 150 units in the month of August. You can see that the Amazon advertising is really working. This was the first month where I advertised my product for the whole month, and you will see it in the royalties, what an increase the advertising has on my royalties. The next good thing, we only had 2 days where we didn't sell any units. On the other days, we were able to sell at least 1 unit. Sometimes we had a day where we sold over 8, so 9 units. Made me really happy, and now we'll show you how much royalties I made for the month of August 2022. As you can see at the royalties estimator, I hit a new personal record because I was able to generate over $400 on royalties on Amazon KDP. And we had days where I managed to earn over $30 at one day. Very pleased. If you compare it to the last month, we had last month royalties around about $250. Now we doubled it up, generate over $400. And I'm very excited to have a closer look in the future what my royalties will look like, for example, in October, November, or December. The next big milestone I hit this month was an overall royalties on Amazon KDP above $1,000. So as you can see, I have not so much books online, 112 books online, and these 112 books generated me over the whole lifetime cycle over $1,000. As you also can see, if you have a closer look on the bar chart, the royalties are increasing month by month. If you are working on your online business, this is a good factor that your business grows and earn more and more money. So big milestone for me, lifetime royalties over $1,000, a milestone that I want to share with you. So if you start your online business or you are already into Amazon KDP, keep working, try different things out, publish new books, and I'm sure that you will achieve the same amount of royalties in the future. So the next thing are my incomes from affiliate marketing, because I have a YouTube channel, obviously, and I earned $50 at affiliate earnings for the month of August. Then we have the expenses. My expenses on Amazon advertising are $263. Then I have expenses for my software, creative Fabrica, Canva, and the latest software is Helium 10, because Helium 10 is overall, it is expensive, but it is overall the best tool for Amazon KDP. You have so much tools you can use, like the product research, listing optimizing, keyword research. You can spy the keywords of your competitors. You can make so much good things with this tool. If you're interested in Helium 10, have a closer look on my discount codes. You can use, for example, MK Publishing 50, so you get 50% off your first month. I would always recommend to use the MK Publishing 50 because you pay half the price and you can pause the subscription directly after you sign the subscription. So you're paying around about $45 for the first month, and then in the first month, do all the keyword niche research whatsoever and pause the subscription. If you want to use Helium 10 lifetime, you can use MK Publishing 10 to get 10% off. It's a lifetime code, so you're not paying the whole price, you are paying 10% less. A new really good feature that Helium 10 released in the last week is a search expander combined with keywords and search results. You all know tools like the tool from Self-Publishing Titans or the Amazon Quick View, where the tool generates you additional keywords to your keywords you typed in search bar. But the good thing, Helium 10 combined all these things together. Helium 10 shows you the most important keywords for this niche. And a really good thing, Helium 10 shows you directly the search volume of the additional keywords. So you can type in composition notebook. Helium 10 suggests you different types of keywords. You can see, okay, composition notebook, wide ruled, 160,000 search volume. I have a closer look at this niche or at this keyword. As I mentioned, if you're interested in Helium 10, use the promo codes, 50% off for the first month. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the little income report. If you do so, hit the thumbs up button and make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. There's nothing more about to say. I wish you all the best and we will see us in the next video.